family and friends.
Family and friends.
Jordy and I would like to again wish you another 50, and we'd like to try to sing a song for you. Okie doke? No more talk. Words will warn and calm you. Hold it.
Dan.
Let's do it from the top again, okay? No more talk of darkness. Okay, Jordy. Forget these wide-eyed fears. I'm here, nothing can harm you. My words will warn and calm you. Let me be your freedom. Let daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you beside me to guard you and to guide me. And all I ask is every waking moment, turn your head with talk, summertime, and say you'll need me with you now. Promise me that all you say is true. Love me, that's all I ask of you. Hey! Thank you.
Good, Dan, help him down. Good one.